everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of social engineering, a powerful technique often exploited by cybercriminals. However, when wielded ethically, it can be a valuable tool for security professionals to identify vulnerabilities and strengthen defenses. We'll be exploring the Social Engineering Toolkit, a comprehensive framework designed to simulate real-world social engineering attacks. By understanding how these attacks work, we can better protect ourselves and our organizations. What is the Social Engineering Toolkit set? SET is a robust, open-source penetration testing framework created by the brilliant mind of David Kennedy. It provides a plethora of tools and techniques to assess the security of organizations by exploiting human vulnerabilities. Why use SET ethically? Red teaming. Simulate real-world attacks to uncover weaknesses in security defenses. Security awareness training. Educate employees about social engineering tactics, helping them recognize and avoid these attacks. Penetration testing. Conduct authorized penetration tests to assess the security posture of systems and networks. Once you've launched SET, you'll be greeted by a menu of options. Let's dive into some of the most potent modules: website attack vectors, phishing websites, craft convincing phishing pages to steal credentials. Watering hole attacks, compromise specific target groups by infecting popular websites they visit. Email spoofing, spoofed emails, send emails that appear to come from legitimate sources, tricking users into revealing sensitive information. Phishing emails, design persuasive phishing emails to bypass security filters and deceive victims. QR code attack vectors, malicious QR codes, generate QR codes that redirect users to malicious websites or download malware. Hidden payloads, embed malicious payloads within QR codes to compromise devices. SMS attack vectors, SMS phishing, send SMS messages to lure victims into clicking malicious links or downloading malware. SMS-based attacks, exploit SMS vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access to devices. Credential harvesting attacks, phishing pages, create realistic phishing pages to capture usernames, passwords, and other sensitive information. Keylogging, employ keyloggers to record user input, stealing credentials and other confidential data. The Social Engineering Toolkit is a powerful tool that, when used ethically, can significantly improve security posture. By mastering SET, you can become a formidable security professional, capable of identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities before they're exploited by malicious actors. I encourage you to explore the depths of SET and experiment with its various modules. By understanding its capabilities, you can better protect yourself and your organization from the ever-evolving threat landscape. Thanks for watching.